It is quite cold here in Guwahati. I am at my homestay, and it just takes me back. It harkens the days of the 90s where things weren't so fast. I suppose I'm looking for things to slow down, and kind of finding it here a little bit. Tomorrow's a big day. Tomorrow I am getting up quite early because I want to explore the area around me. I heard jackals in the night. Jackals. I mean, in Australia we hear helicopters and planes. But I'm sure if I went into the bush, I'd hear animals. I think I am in the bush, but it feels like home. Anyway, tomorrow's a new day, and I will be traveling all around the area and exploring little villages, hopefully, and I just feel comfortable. I'll say goodnight. It's super early. I heard elephants in the morning, I think. Not sure. But I'm in the mountains. It's cold. There's like a smog. There's a hill. It's up that hill. I'm not sure if I can go alone, but not secluded from the world. There are people waking up, going to school, uni. But the air smells fresh. It smells like trees. Coconut trees. I'm thinking they're palm trees, maybe. What are they? Palm trees? They've got coconuts on it, I think. I think they're coconuts. And there's a little puppy. There's a little feisty one. Hello? No. There you go. Don't you dare follow me. Go back inside. I am getting over a cold, but it seems like the air is really helping me here. Yeah, the old papaya. These could be papaya. So, there are people's houses with their little gardens in the front, little gates. It was cold last night, much cooler than Kolkata, but I had a really good night's sleep. There were no horns, there was no dogs barking on the road. I'm painting Kolkata to be quite bad, but it just isn't. Every part has its charm. This is the local milkman. I'm gonna walk into the jungle. This is the local priest cleaning. And singing. So I'm gonna go off road, and they said this is the jungle area. I am not too sure about going all the way in, but this is the Range Forest Officer's Lodge. I can't believe I'm here. There's chicken everywhere, which is kind of like, hey chickie, hey chickie D. There are streams that line the path. Kind of reminds me of Bridge to Terabithia. That was one of my favorite movies at the time. Actually, it was one of that god-awful movies where Madonna was a fairy animation. But I liked it. So this is all forest. Which is what they said. Sometimes tigers do come down this way. And maybe some elephants. I am really close to what you would consider nature without actually being in nature. You can hear the dew fall on the tree leaves, and wow. Some of these trees, like this one here, it's probably a few hundred years old, or at least 100 years old. But there's still people like living inside it, inside these forests, which is refreshing. I like this inside out nature living. I don't know how much further I can go. I could go up that way. That's a steep hill. Or I could go up that way. It's another steep hill. I'll try this way. All this cardio I'm getting in. I thought I'd hate it. I suppose I don't hate it when it's exploring, beautiful, untouched, untapped landscapes. I'm not sure where that goes. If it goes to someone's house, looks like it's someone's house. I don't want to intrude so early in the morning. But I am very curious. Yeah, this is someone's house. Okay, before I slip and fall, because I am not very good on slippery slopes. And you know what they say about a slippery slope? I don't know. Something about slipping on a slippery slope. Look at these trees. I feel like these mountains can be quite treacherous, and I look like I am a banshee in a tree, but it is cold, and I am not trying to fall sick again, so I'm keeping myself covered and just enjoying a morning walk. I wish there was more places like this that I was exploring over the next few weeks. Because everybody goes to the touristy stuff, and I'm not really a crowds person. I'd love to see monuments and all that stuff, but then it's like you go, you stand in line, people are staring. Here I can think a little. I'm not umming and erring so much, so that's a plus. But that's my morning walk down the road from my homestay in Guwahati. I suggest with homestays, specifically in Asia, stay somewhere neutral where they don't have too many images and pictures of family, or you feel like you're not in your own bed for the night. Some places do want to make you feel homey and cozy, but in my experience that has made me feel a little out of place. Where I am tonight, where I am the next few nights, is actually quite nice. It's very reminiscent of a time that I was trying to capture during this trip. Time before computers and Wi-Fi passwords, and even phones for that matter. I think I'll do a lot more of that. Disconnect.